Okay, time for chord progression of the day. Sing the scale one more time, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, here comes the starting chord. Hum that lowest note. Hold up your guess as to what chord that is. Good, it's a 6. We've switched gears, now we're starting on the 6. Our first minor starting chord, okay? You may have heard this chord progression before if you've been saved for any length of time. Pretty common in every worship set you've ever heard. You probably heard this progression. So it is, J.R., you know it?
Yes.
Yep.
6 5 4 1.
Close. 6
6 4 1 5.
4 1 5. Pretty close. 6 4 1 5. Okay. Now you'll hear this 6 to 4 a lot. A way you can remember it is Eye of the Tiger. Here it comes. So 6 5 4. If you can sing Eye of the Tiger in between 6 5 4, you can probably find it. Okay, I'll do that with the light on so you can see. 5 4, Eye of the Tiger. Then you got 4 1. It has a little amen right in the middle, and it ends on a 5, which has kind of a turnaround effect. Okay. There's 2 places that 5 really wants to go. It really wants to go to a 1 most of all, but it also really likes going to a 6 because a 6 acts as a substitute for a 1. We call this a deceptive cadence. Everyone say deceptive cadence. Deceptive cadence. Have you ever heard the end of a song where you're in worship and you're like, you're going, in all I do, I honor you. You psych everybody out by throwing in a quick 6 chord. In all I do, I honor you. Okay, so that's called a deceptive cadence. When you trick everybody into keep singing by playing a 6 instead of a 1. Now look at how many notes 6 and 1 have in common. Here's a 1 chord. Here's a 6 chord. How many notes do they share? They share 2 out of 3. So that's why they act as good substitutes for each other. Okay, list at least one song that this goes with. There's millions. Let It Rain is the classic. You could also do Beauty, Beauty, Beautiful. What do they call that song? Beauty, Beauty? By David Breimer. Okay, let's sing Beauty, Beauty, Beautiful. One, two, three. one more way you can think about these different chords, okay? I like to use different adjectives to describe the different chords we use. So, first one is the 1 chord. I like to call it stable. Everyone say stable.
Stable.
It sounds like home. It sounds like everything's all right. Jesus is on the throne, and he's ruling, okay? Next is the 4 chord, and to me, the 4 chord sounds lingering. Okay? Everybody say lingering. Let's say lingering. Lingering. It's a time where you can, okay, have you ever been at the end of a set and everyone crashed out on the 1 and you all sung in the Spirit? Everyone's singing the Spirit on the 1. And you get a little bit of that hovering feeling going on. Okay? But you can get even more of that effect if you hold a 4 chord. Sing in the Spirit over this. Hear that big lingering effect when you hang on a 4 chord? Okay, so that's the lingering. Then you can have the 5 chord, and the 5 chord to me sounds triumphant. Okay? Sounds like you just made it to the top of a mountain and you conquered. Now you're ready to go back down for your granola bar break. Okay? So, it's triumphant. And then the 6th chord, it sounds sober. Which to me is like a sad but stable. Okay? So some people like to just think of what mood these chords put them in. And it helps them that way. Okay, so let's play each chord and say the adjective. Stable, lingering, triumphant, sober. Okay, now I wrote a song long ago for my first theory class. It goes like this. It's got a boring melody, but it's got great lyrics. It goes, if you're feeling sober, linger with the Lord. I did that in the wrong color. Linger with the Lord. He will make you stable, and then you will be triumphant. Okay? So the song goes like this. If you're feeling sober, linger with the Lord. He will make you stable. You will be triumphant. Okay, 6, 4, 1, 5. Play it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're feeling sober, He will make you stable. You'll be triumphant. If you're feeling sober, He will make you stable. Okay, good. That's it. Any questions on those funny adjectives? Okay, good.